How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to Barrow Consulting and Wealth Management. Today we're going to be covering with you the top 7 reasons why you should purchase a fixed indexed annuity. So if any of these pertain to you, this is exactly what you should be looking into. So first and foremost, what does it mean to annuitize? So by definition, to annuitize is the process of converting an investment into a series of periodic income payments. That's what it means to annuitize, right? So how does a fixed indexed annuity perform? How does it work? So a fixed indexed annuity credits interest based on the performance of the market, but has what's known as a ceiling and a floor to minimize risk. So the ceiling, the cap, can be anywhere upwards of 12, 13%, but the floor is always 0%. Now, the best way I could really explain this is, let's say you were building a skyscraper, right? You're building a skyscraper. Now, during great market conditions, you're going to continue building. You're going to add to this skyscraper. Now, however, during harsh conditions or bad conditions, when it might be snowing, rain, wind, whatever it may be, during the bad conditions, you can't really build. So you kind of just stay where you're at, and when the conditions improve again, you pick up right where you left off. That's exactly how a fixed indexed annuity works. Now, what are the top 7 reasons to purchase one of these? So the top 7 reasons. Now, if any of these pertain to you or your specific situation, you might want to look into purchasing a fixed indexed annuity. Reason number 1, I want to save money, but money is limited. So if you want to save money, but your money is limited, some of the benefits that come with starting a policy like this is that you could start it with $100 a month, right? $100 a month, minimum of $100 a month can get you into a retirement vehicle like this. And as I mentioned before, there's a 0% floor, meaning that your money is protected. So if you're limited on money, it's because you don't have a lot of it. So you can start it with very little, and you don't lose any of it, right? Reason number 2, I want to make contributions on my terms and not worry about the market. So what I want you to understand is that this is not an investment vehicle that participates in the market. It just simply mirrors the market. So you're not losing money in this vehicle because of that floor and because of how it is designed. It's just mirroring, not participating, okay? So reason number 3, I want income regardless of how long I live. Most people have a fear of outliving their retirement funds, right? Most people, that's a fear of most people. And one of the benefits that a fixed indexed annuity has is what's called a lifetime income rider. And we could design it specifically for you not to outlive your money, right? Reason number 4, I want access to my money. So a majority of people want exactly that. That's exactly why they don't put their money into specific accounts and they only keep it in the bank, is because they want access. And you can have access to your money after the first policy year. You can have up to 10% of the accumulated value in your fixed indexed annuity. So access is something that you could definitely have. I want the benefit of triple compounding. Now let me explain this to you. Triple compounding, compounding interest, earning interest on contributions, earning interest on my interest, earning interest on money I would have paid taxes on. Triple compounding interest. You get that only in a fixed indexed annuity. I want the money to go to my family if I pass. Not very many retirement vehicles, 401k, there's so many I can mention, they don't have a beneficiary attached to these policies. After, if God forbid something were to happen to you, there's a lot of times where these things go into probate and your family actually does not get access to any of these things, but that is something that when properly designed, your beneficiaries can have this and it will not have to go through probate. I need to supplement my Social Security and 401k retirement. So this is a great supplemental vehicle that you can have in addition to your Social Security, in addition to your 401k, in addition to your other independent retirement accounts. It's a great supplemental retirement vehicle for you. So with that being said, if any of these pertain to you or your specific situation, getting into a fixed indexed annuity is something that you might want to look into. It's something we could definitely help you with. You just have to message us direct message us, comment, whatever it may be. We'll reach out to you. We love to have this conversation. We just want to make sure that you guys are staying informed. Thank you for coming back. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.